In a world where power meets perfection, welcome to Automotive Car Update. Here, every curve tells a story. Every engine roar echoes ambition. From the pinnacle of luxury to the frontier of innovation. This is where legends are born and the future takes shape. Join us as we unveil the machines that define desire and performance. This is Automotive Car Update. The journey starts now. Introduction: the king of super SUVs. Lamborghini redefines the high-performance SUV game with the all-new 2025 Urus Performante, combining blistering speed with everyday versatility. This isn't just an SUV, it's a raging bull with supercar DNA, pushing the limits of what a luxury SUV can do. Lighter, sharper, and more powerful, the Urus Performante represents the ultimate evolution of Lamborghini's best-selling model. Design: dominant, sculpted, and pure Lamborghini. From every angle, the 2025 Urus Performante demands attention. A more aggressive front bumper, carbon fiber accents, and a redesigned rear spoiler hint at its track-ready intentions. Iconic Lamborghini Y-shaped elements, massive quad exhausts, and 23-inch wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires complete its commanding look. Its wide stance, sharp lines, and coupe-like roofline ensure it looks just as fierce cruising through the city as it does dominating the racetrack. This is Lamborghini style, amplified for the SUV world. Performance: supercar heart, SUV soul. Under the hood beats Lamborghini's fearsome 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, now tuned to unleash 657 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system, the Urus Performante sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Whether you're tearing up mountain roads or launching from a standstill, the Urus delivers explosive power, precise handling, and a thunderous exhaust note that only a Lamborghini can produce. It's a supercar hiding in SUV form. Interior: Italian craftsmanship meets track focus. Step inside and you're enveloped in Lamborghini's signature luxury with a sporty edge. Alcantara upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and Performante badging set the tone, while the dual-screen infotainment system offers seamless control and connectivity. Sports seats offer excellent support for spirited drives, yet remain comfortable for daily commutes. Every detail, from the stitching to the drive mode selectors, reflects Lamborghini's obsession with performance and craftsmanship. Driving experience: the super SUV redefined on the road. Or off it, the 2025 Urus Performante feels like no other SUV. With a recalibrated suspension, rear-wheel steering, and special rally mode for off-road fun, it delivers agility that defies its size. Drive modes let you shift from refined luxury to raw aggression in an instant. It's as comfortable devouring highway miles as it is conquering twisty back roads or dirt trails. This versatility, combined with supercar speed, makes it the ultimate SUV experience. Verdict: Lamborghini's ultimate SUV creation. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus Performante is not just an SUV, it's a statement of power, performance, and unmistakable style. With its dramatic looks, staggering speed, and everyday usability, it raises the bar for what a performance SUV should be. For those who crave supercar thrills but need SUV practicality, this is Lamborghini's ultimate creation. Whether on track, street, or trail, the Urus Performante delivers excitement every mile. Final verdict: 9.9 out of 10, the ultimate high-performance SUV.